So good morning everyone, and today we are doing arthroscopic ACL reconstruction. And see, the ACL is totally torn from the lateral femoral condyle. See, there is ACL is totally lax, and see, I am coming down, and this is the ACL which is torn. There is no ACL at all in the lateral femoral condyle, and I am coming slowly towards this side and straighten the knee joint slowly. Straighten the knee joint. See, this is my lateral gutta, lateral femoral condyle, and which I am seeing is the lateral meniscus. Flex slowly. Figure of 4. Yes, very nice, very superb. So this is the lateral meniscus which is seen very nicely. So yeah, this is the popliteus, so nicely seen. This is very nice. This is the popliteus tendon, which is very wide and taut one, and this is my lateral meniscus. See, the lateral meniscus is nice, not torn here, and see the superb is, this is the popliteus, very nice, tight, which is coming from the tibia to the femoral condyle, and this is the lateral meniscus, and superbly seen. The lateral meniscus is nice, no torn, no tear in the lateral meniscus. Coming towards this side, see, this is the lateral ACL which is totally gone, torn. There is no ACL at all. It's totally small fibers only are intact. And coming to this side, this is the medial condyle of the femur. Straight, knee joint. Valgus, yeah, it's nice. Valgus, flexion slowly, yeah. Superb. This is the medial meniscus which is seen here. So medial meniscus is also looks okay, not torn much. Flex, yeah. And this is the posterior horn of the medial meniscus, which is seen here, and now I am in the posterior gutter. So this is the where if we want to do a PCL reconstruction, we go through this portal and make an entry on the posterior side. And this is the medial meniscus posterior, looks absolutely fine. And this is the medial meniscus totally seen. See, superbly seen medial meniscus, which everything is fine. So in this case, it's only a classical case of ACL tear. So this is an ACL which is torn. Actually, it should be here. So the ACL should be, say I am promic now. So this is the where the ACL ligament should be in the far posterior and inferior. So today we are going to do ACL reconstruction by removing this fragment. So I use my shaver system here. Now I go inside the joint. Very nice. Now I debride it. See, slowly I am debriding it. It should be very smooth and slow, so that I can remove the fragments here. And you should see where your blade is coming. Thank you.